there it is, all back together. In very good shape. Besides the casters in the bottom being dirty, which I don't really care about, it's in good shape. As we go over the controls, as you can see, it's very basic. I think this is a timer just to turn it on, not to turn it off. Or stand corrected. The down button doesn't work. How high does it go?
Probably goes 24 hours.
Yeah, whatever. Different fan speeds. Nothing special. You can obviously change the humidity. I think it goes from 35 down is really work. From continuous maybe to 85%, not exactly sure. Bucket full light with filter reset, that comes on every once in a while, and I just reset it because this unit is in a damp basement, but it's not really dusty, so I'm in a power load and button. It's got a little handle too. The unit doesn't actually weigh that much, but it's only 25 pints per hour, so actually no, 25 pints per 24 hours, I think that's how it's rated. 25 pints a day, yeah. So yeah, and I'll show where it sits later on, and that'll be it. So this is the internals of the unit. You can actually see the wiring diagram there. So we can cut off the sunlight to it. There you go. Actually pretty complicated. Optional pump. Seems optional though, because it might not be on this unit as far as I know. But you can see it's pretty complicated. It's got a lot of different controllers. The coil's in good condition. It uses a capillary tube, and there's the frost sensor. Coil itself is in good condition. And the fan motor, and the bearings aren't that good, but it's clean now. See that? This is the compressor. Yeah. 60 hertz, 115, 120 volt, lock rotor amp, 13.4. That's very specific. R134. Huh. This system is R134. That is interesting. Does a fine job, but you know. And this compressor is absolutely puny. It looks actually kind of big on camera, but then when you see it next to my hand, I could probably put my whole hand around it. It's so tiny. And so here's a little bit of corrosion. I don't know why I'm smacking my lips, but whatever. There's corrosion there, but not that big of a deal. And you can see the actual coil is exposed here. There's no side rails. Not side rails, there's no piece of metal on the end. You can see the controller up there. Another little controller. The blower's supposed to spin this way. Still makes no difference though. And there's the run cap. It's just a crappy China whatever, probably. 17 microfarads. Interesting. Again, that compressor is just so tiny. This is my point of view. It's super tiny. But the unit's clean, and I'm gonna put it back together and fire it up. The coil's nice and clean now too. Okay, I'll get this back together. Oh, heard a beep. This is press power. Nothing yet. Set to continuous. fan motor sounds really great. Now we just have to wait for the compressor to start. Camera fell over, but at least it caught the start up. Compressor sounds nice. Discharge line isn't anywhere near hot yet. The suction line is cool, so give it some time. Yeah, I'm gonna work on cleaning the outside up. Okay, so there's the last little shot of the inside, so you can tell the display is pulse width modulated because it's flashing. There you go, so my frame rate adjusted, and then if I come back it starts doing it again. The compressor did cycle off once because I had the humidity set too high. The compressor's nice and hot. Discharge line is really hot. Suction line's cold. Air come out is warm, where it should be. Compressor sounds nice and healthy. So, there's the tag. And we'll put the back cover on it, clean the last few things, and put it back where it was, and continue to let it dehumidify. Okay, so here it is in its final location. Doing a good job. Have it set on low at 40% humidity, so if it does get below that, it'll turn off. Since it's on a stone floor, it's about as level as it's going to get. No, the rocks are not propping it up. It's meant to prevent it from rolling. The wood's as level as I can get it. And the hose runs right into this sump right here. And look, you can see it's working. So you can get the sump to pump. Yeah. Doing a good job. 50% relative humidity seems like a good target. Okay. Yeah, so down button really doesn't work. There you go. Okay. Not much left to it. Thanks for watching.